So at Kadence, we're always on the lookout for innovative tech firms who we can partner to better meet the evolving needs of our clients. So we're looking for solutions which help us to uncover insights which would have otherwise been unavailable to us. And we're also looking for solutions which will deliver higher quality insights than those typically delivered by the legacy methods. And that's really what brought us in the first place to Measure Protocol. Blockchain technology has received a huge amount of attention in recent years, and now Measure Protocol are pioneering the use of blockchain technology for sampling in the insight industry.
Measure, or MSR as it's called in the App Store, is a market research app that consumers take part in data tasks. They could be surveys or polls. One of the simplest things about how Measure uses blockchain technology is that we have a consumer has an app, a market researcher who uses an interface no different than they would in the current ecosystem. The big difference though is there's no middleman involved in that transaction. It's technology. So we're really putting buyers, market researchers, directly in touch with consumers, the respondents. The data itself is not stored on the blockchain, but the record of the data is stored on the blockchain. And that means that the buyer, the researcher in our world, can get to see the provenance of that data as to whether it's right for the process they were using it for. When the user actually uses the app, all of their data and any of their profile information that they give to the app, it stays on their app. And the only time when it ever transfers to the buyer is when there's a transaction that's created. The user of the app knows that their data is going to be used for X or Y, and there's a fair market value for it. We need consumers to be comfortable with us, and we think that that's the first step in doing that, is keeping their data private.
So we believe that the opportunity to collect passive data via the platform, so for example health data, Spotify data, Amazon purchase history with their consent, alongside the higher level of incentivisation that's offered via their platform, will lead to richer quality insights for our clients. As the technology continues to improve, as Measure continue to expand their reach in terms of the people that we can access via this platform, it's certainly something that we're excited to be able to use. But the early signs are very positive, and it's something that we're starting to use on a small scale to roll out for client projects.